over here. So the clover's getting pretty tall around the garden. I need to trim it down, so I'm going to use it as mulch, and hopefully I post the video pretty soon. I'm going to be doing free gardening type videos. So if you have any questions about gardening for free, which is basically what I do, minus the water, electricity, a couple little things, but yeah, I'm going to do that, and here's one part of it, mulch. That went pretty well. Uh-oh. Wrong, bad spot. Don't want to bury this. I'll finish up over there real quick and bring you over. Getting a little tangled there. Did I grow too tall? Whew. Good amount of mulch. Of course. Alright. I'll just collect that up now and throw it on. Has a little bit of seeds in it on this stuff, but I'm going to put it where it doesn't matter as much, and there's not that many seeds to where I couldn't pick them out probably by hand. So that's the goal, and I'm going to just put it where I need it. I can explain more about the mulch part in another video, because I don't even worry about drying this out as much anymore. I kind of see what it's doing, but I haven't used grass mulch too much when it's raining a lot, so we'll see how that works out and if the mold problems happens. I don't think it's mold, but again, I'll talk about it more in that video. when I do it. Alright, thank you for watching.